Today I want to show you how you can take a screenshot with your PC using Windows 10. So if you have Windows 10 or any other version of Windows, you can use the same method to achieve the same thing. I'm going to show you two different methods to take the screenshot. The first one uses an app that comes with Windows 10. Then the second uses your keyboard. So let's start with an app that comes with Windows 10. So the easiest way to get to the app is to use the search box. So here I'm going to type in Snipping Tool. So that's the name of the app, the Snipping Tool. When you open the Snipping Tool, it has few different modes. You click the mode, you have the free form snip, the rectangular snip, window snip, and full screen snip. In a few minutes we will see what those different modes do. So let's try the first mode. I have this picture over here I want to take a screenshot of. So let's go to the Snipping Tool and use the first mode, the free form snip. So with this free form snip, it gives you the freedom to just draw around what you want to snip. Just draw around it freely, and when you release the mouse, that just gives you a screenshot of what you've circled, like how you can see on the screen right now. Okay, let's go with the second mode, which is the rectangular snip. Rectangular snip gives you a nice rectangle or even a square snip or screenshot of that. And I like this very well because it's just simple and it's straightforward. So you just need to highlight a portion of what you want to screenshot and then release the mouse, and it gives you a nice screenshot of what you want to screenshot. And then the next is the Windows snap or Windows screenshot. When you use this, and let's go to a new snap, you just need to select. Once we are on the Windows snap, you come to the new, we just need to select what you want to screenshot. So let me select this window. Then it gives me full image of the window of the screen. Gives you a full image of the screen. So when you have your image or your screenshot, there are many things you can do on this tool. So you can use the pen or the highlighting tool to highlight a portion of your picture, or you can use the eraser tool also to delete those highlighted portions. You can use the pen tool to draw anything or write anything you want to do. So use the eraser to delete those ones too. You can copy the file, you can save, you can set the screenshot delay to up to 5 seconds. So when you have your screenshot, you can save it. So you can use an icon to save, or you can go to file and then save as. So when you select the location you want to save, I want to save mine on the desktop, and then the name of the file. So here you can select the file type. You can save it as PNG or GIF or a JPEG or any other file format present on your system. So you can just, I want to select or save mine as a JPEG, so I have to select the JPEG file format and then save. So I save mine on the desktop. When I minimize everything, I can go straight to the desktop and then open the screenshot app. So this is my screenshot, as you can see, nicely screenshotted, and now I have it. Okay, that's it with the Snipping Tool. let's use the keyboard now. Depending on the keyboard you have, most of the keyboards or some of the keyboards have a print screen keyboard attached to them. So if you don't have those keyboards, then you need to go with the snipping tool. So with the print screen keyboard, you just need to press the print screen on your keyboard just to have a screen capture or a screenshot of it. So sometimes, let's say I'm pressing the print screen right now, but I'm not getting anything that shows that there is a print screen or a screenshot anyway. So what you need to do to get a screenshot is, let's go to the search paint. So I go to paint. So this is paint. Then you can just use paste. So you could see I have a screenshot of it that I paste this in the paint. So with the paint, you can actually do some nice stuff here in paint. You can just crop. So when you want to crop here, you select a selection, and then I just want this part of the picture to this side. So when I release and I just click on crop, it crop everything nicely for me. So I can go ahead and just select and save it as PNG or any file extension that you want to save your image. So I will save mine as a JPEG. As you can see the extension here. Change the name or give any name. I will just like, okay, let me make it Chrome, and then my save location is desktop, and then save. When I minimize this once, you could see this is the picture that I saved from the paints. So this is nicely displayed. So there you have it. So today I show you two different ways you could take a screenshot. One of them is with the snipping tool, and the other one is using the keyboard. So hopefully that unblocks you with all screenshot needs. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.